Kinasuhan ng Kapamilya TV host actress na si Kim Chiu ang kanyang kapatid na sila Kambini Chiu, kaugnay ng naging problema nila sa kanilang business. Kasama ang kanyang mga abogadong sina Zylene Dollar and Archer Norgregana, naghain ng formal complaint si Kim, laban sa kapatid sa Office of the Assistant City Prosecutor sa Quezon City. Suportado rin si Kim ng kanyang sister na si Twinkle at brother-in-law na sinamahan din siya sa pagpa-file ng kaso. Kabilang sa kasong isinampa ng aktres kay Lacan ay qualified theft. Ayon sa abogado ni Kim, nadiskubre ni Kim Chiu ang financial discrepancies sa negosyo nilang magkapatid. Right now I am not authorized to name the business, but I think fans would know kung ano po yung business ventures na she shared with Miss Lakambini Chiu. Generally I can say that she, Lakam is part of the management of the business, sabi pa ng legal counsel ni Kim patungkol sa posisyon ng inasunto sa negosyo ng aktres. May pagtatangka naman daw mula sa kampo ni Lakam na ayusin ang problema nila ni Kim. Sabi ng abogado, she reached out and the lawyers reached out also. But yun nga po, it has also been a statement of Miss Kim na it has been a very difficult decision for her to do this, and to proceed with this step. As far as I know, I have been in 1 or 2 meetings, but I know there have been several times na they reached out to each other, sabi pa ng abogado. Samantala, sa isang statement, sinabi ni Kim na ang pagsasampa niya ng kaso laban sa kapatid ay para na rin sa interest of transparency, accountability, and protecting her company. I am issuing this statement with a heavy heart and with deep respect for the truth, and for the people who have supported me throughout my career and my business journey. After careful consideration and months of internal review, I have made the difficult decision to file a legal case for qualified theft against my sister, Lakambini Chiu, in relation to serious financial discrepancies discovered within my business operations. This decision did not come easily. It is one of the most painful steps I have ever taken in my life. As many know, I built my business ventures with hard work, passion, and trust in the people I love. Unfortunately, substantial amounts connected to my business assets were found missing. These discoveries forced me to take formal action to protect not just my company, but also the livelihoods of the people who work with me, and the integrity of everything I have built. I ask for understanding, respect, as our family navigates this very difficult chapter. I am hopeful that through the proper legal channels, clarity and fairness will prevail.